beyond patience today. I really need money for rent. I really need money for rent. This guy Joey is a troll. Can anybody please help me with rent? Please. If I don't get enough for rent, in 2 days, I'm gonna be sleeping outside in this freezing fucking snow. Please help me, please. Please, I don't want to be homeless again. I need enough rent money for a week or two. Please help me, please. Please help me, guys, please. Please, if I don't have enough money for at least a week or two, in 2 days, I'm gonna be outside freezing outside again. Please help me stay in the house. Please, you people have the power to help me stay in the house and not have to be homeless again. Please, I know you guys like watching homeless content, but I don't want to be homeless. Please help me out, please. Please help me out, guys. Please, I really need money for rent. Please help me out. Please. I'm standing in the fucking snow. Please. If I don't get enough for a week or two of rent in 2 days, I'm gonna be back out on the streets. Please help me out. Please. Please. I'm doing everything I can right now to get work. I'm literally doing everything in my power to work for my own money to pay rent. But I'm not getting work. It's actually not that simple. It's actually not that simple, actually. It's actually not that simple. I say, I want a job, and then all of a sudden you got work the next day. It's not that fucking simple. It's not that fucking simple. I've been out for 3 fucking days. 3 fucking days at the same time he worked. I haven't got work yet. It's not that fucking simple. If I don't have enough rent in 2 days for a week or two, I'm gonna be homeless again. And you people don't give a fuck. It's so fucked up, man. They really watch me because they want to see me fail. If I'm forced back on the streets, I'm blocking anyone who sits there and acts like that I'm not doing everything I can. I'll go apply for a job. Yeah. Oh yeah. Like I haven't done that. Okay, Mrs. Smarty Pants. Why don't you go fuck yourself? How about that? Please, I'm literally doing everything in my fucking power. I'm doing everything in my power to get work. I'm doing everything in my fucking power to get work right now. I'm doing everything in my power. I'm doing everything I can do to get work right now. If I don't have enough money for rent in the next 2 days, for a week or two of rent, I'm gonna be back out on the streets homeless, and I'm not gonna give a fuck after that. I don't want to go back to that. Thank you, Queen. I don't want to go back to that. But that's how I'm gonna have to be. If I'm on the streets again, if in 2 days I'm back homeless again, I'm not gonna give a fuck anymore. I'm not gonna try to work anymore. I'm just gonna sit here and feel sorry for myself. Guys, Leah said if anybody sends $40, she will match it. Please, guys. Leah says she will match if somebody sends 40. Please. Thank you, Susan. I just really don't want to be out on the streets in 2 days. I really don't. I'm doing everything I can. I don't want to go back to that hopelessness. Right now, as long as I can get enough rent money for another week or two, then I have a chance to succeed in my life. I have a chance to do more with myself and to make enough money to live a better life. To have a more stable life. Right now I have a bed to sleep on at night. I have a warm bed to lay down on at night. I'm not going to have that in 2 days if I don't raise $140 at least. He said enough money for at least a week or two. Rent is $20 a day, okay? So $140 would be enough for at least 1 week. I'm telling you right now, if I don't get this money for rent, I'm going to lose hope. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Somebody named Jeremy just sent me $5 on Cash App. Thank you so much, Jeremy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. For real, because right now it means more than the past few months. For a long time, it hasn't meant this much. If you donate right now, it means more than it's meant for a while, because right now, if I don't raise enough money for rent for at least a week or two, then I'm going to be back out on the streets in 2 days in the snow and fucking freezing weather. The rent is $20 a night. I'm doing everything I can to try to get work right now. I still got my son, need work. Yes, it does. This isn't even that bad. This isn't that bad. Last year, we got 6 feet of snow. In 1 day. Jeremy said he sent 5. He did send 5. So I have $10 now for rent. He said if somebody else sends 5, he'll send another 5. Anything is appreciated. No, I do not, Danny. I have $10. I need at least $140 or $280. I have $10 so far. Thank you guys for the $10. I really need. I really need $140 to $280. At least $140, but $280 would pay for 2 weeks. Standing out in the snow, I'm trying my best to get work. I'm doing everything I can. How you doing? Good. Somebody just gave me $10 right now, so I have $20. I have $20. Somebody on the street. Now the cop just saw me get money, so I didn't ask nobody for nothing. Okay.
You're stepping up. You weren't saying you're stepping out of the street.
No, I've been standing here the whole time. I have raised my.
2 days in a row. Said you're screaming.
Okay, do you want to look at the video evidence, sir?
I don't care.
I'm telling
you what people are saying.
Right.
Okay? If you're standing out in the street.
I'm not standing out in the streets.
Listen, you hear what I'm saying?
Right.
If you are doing this, don't do it. If you're not doing it, you're good.
Okay.
If you're standing out in the street and you're screaming,
I'm not standing in the street.
Stop.
I'm not standing. I'm standing right here. I did right. I'm standing right here. I did raise my voice so people could hear me on the phone because there's cars driving by and snowing. I'm telling them like this. I'm like, guys, I need $20 for rent. That's the level of my volume when the cars are driving by. I'm not homeless anymore. I got a place to stay for $20 a night, and my viewers know that. You know, if you want to help out, you can. I'm not begging you. I'm just saying, if you're asking about it, I got a place to stay for $20 a night. He told me he needs me at least to pay for a week or two by the 1st. So I've been out here every day trying to get work.
I don't need you to yell at me. We're right here.
I'm not trying to yell. I'm just projecting my voice so people can hear me. It's loud out here.
I got another call to go to, so if you're yelling and screaming, just stop. If you're not, you're good. All right?
All right, man.
All right.
how are people gonna hear me? You know, talking about I'm going. That's the thing. You got old people out here talking shit. You got old people out here talking shit. Okay, you see where my phone is right now, right? Just for the video evidence. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. It's on the sidewalk. Okay, it's on the sidewalk. My phone is right here. My phone is right here. I've been standing right next to this tree in the same spot that you see on the camera the whole time. I haven't stepped out in the street. You can see I'm standing on the fucking sidewalk. I guess I gotta try to lower my voice, but I don't know how people are gonna hear me. Yeah. People hate so much. They're gonna burn in hell. They're gonna burn in hell. That's the thing. They don't understand it. They have an opportunity to repent. They have an opportunity to repent and not go to hell. But if they continue like this, go to hell. But if they continue like this, if the person who just called the cops on me dies tomorrow, dies today, and doesn't repent, they're gonna burn in hell for that shit. You know, I can't fucking stand that shit. You know, I'm doing everything I fucking can, and people gotta fucking call the cops, and now I gotta get lectured by the cop. You know, I haven't been yelling. I'm sitting here raising my voice. I'm not out in the street. I haven't went out in the street at all. You know. Because that's what they want. They want to stop me from standing here. Like the only thing I can do to get work. People are trying to sabotage the only thing that I can do to get work. That I can do to get work.
Not true. Liar.
That I can do to get work. I don't have a birth certificate or a social security card.
Did you have a good play date?
I don't have a birth certificate or social security card. And now I have to watch how loud I talk, because they're saying I'm yelling out here. Now I gotta watch how loud I'm talking. So it makes me not even want to say anything, because how the fuck am I supposed to keep my voice down when there's cars driving by me? You understand what I'm saying? There's cars driving by. It's fucking snowing. How the fuck am I? How the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to be able to talk to people who hear me when there's cars driving by? It's a fucking snowstorm. Look, somebody got a cyber truck. Somebody got a cyber truck down the street. I would show you guys, but it doesn't matter. I pretty much lost hope now. I was feeling the energy. I was feeling like it might be possible. I got a lot of hope, but that cop just bummed me out. That cop just bummed me out. that's what I can't stand about people. That's what I can't stand about people. That's what they do. They call the police and they may just make up shit. You heard the cop, right? Y'all heard him say that, right? Talking about, oh, they're saying you're going out in the street yelling at people. Have y'all seen me step 1 foot out in this street right here? Have y'all seen me move from this spot in front of my phone? But people just feel comfortable calling. I do not have warrants. The cops know me. All of them know me. I'm famous. Okay? If I had warrants, I wouldn't be on the street. I'd be locked up. I do not have warrants. This person really just commented and said you're only famous for being a jerk. No, I'm famous for people being a jerk to me. Somebody who needs help. My fucking jacket is damp now. I didn't know that was possible. I really did not know that was possible. I'm fucked. I thought the jacket reflected the rain and snow good, but now it's actually damp. The whole fucking jacket. What the fuck? I really did not know that was possible for the water to get through this outside layer. I've been standing out here in the snow for fucking 1 hour and 30 minutes. And it's some old fucking man. It's some old guy driving the Cybertruck. I thought it, you would think it would be some young guy trying to be cool, but it's just some old guy trying to feel young, I'm like the new hip kids with my Cybertruck. Please, y'all, please. And then he wants to come to me talking about it's 2 days in a row. Lord. Well, thank you so much, Jeremy. Thanks to Jeremy. Thank you so much, Jeremy. Thanks to Jeremy, I have $25. Some lady drove by and gave me $10 in cash a few minutes ago, right before that cop pulled up. Thank you, Louis. So, and I've gotten $15 in donations. So that makes $25. I need 140 at least. I need 140 at least. God bless you, Louis. Anything helps. My shirt is wet now inside my jacket. Please, please. My shirt inside my jacket is wet. Yeah, you're trolling me. You know, nah, actually, this Lou guy is trolling me. I knew it. That's what they come in here and say. Oh, when I get off work, to try to act like I'm not trying to work. My whole fucking jacket is wet. Inside my shirt is wet. I'm not doing well. If I don't raise enough for a week or two of rent in 2 days, then I'm gonna be back on the streets. I'm soaking fucking wet now. I'm soaking fucking wet. God bless you, Miles. I might have to take a break because I'm soaking wet. My shirt inside of my jacket is wet. My sign's really wet.